हम चाहेंगे कि सेना और वायुसेना का जो भी योजना है उसको सब सहयोग करें और उनको शुभकामना भी हम देते हैं, ताकि जहां वो सड़क निर्माण करना चाह रहे हैं और जहां से छोटा चलने वाला रास्ता निकालना चाहते, ताकि हज़ारों लोग जो अटके हैं बद्रीनाथ में तो वो निकल आ सके, क्योंकि हवाई हेलीकॉप्टर से बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं आ सकते हैं। और इसलिए सेना के प्रयासों को पूरा सहयोग सबको देना चाहिए। और हम तो प्रार्थना भी करेंगे कि आज और कल में बारिश न हो, ताकि ये राहत कार्य सुचारू रूप से चले और एक भी इंसान की जान न जाए। जो गए हैं उनके लिए तो भावभीनी श्रद्धांजलि है, लेकिन बड़ा प्रश्न है कि क्या देश और समाज इससे कुछ सबक सीखेगा या नहीं। प्रकृति के साथ आप कितनी खिलवाड़ कर सकते हो, इसकी एक हद होती है। और आपदा प्रबंधन के नियमों का कठोर पालन करना सबके हित में होता है, लेकिन हम लो फ्लड लाइन में भी दुकान और मकान बनाएंगे, इको सेंसिटिव फ्रजाइल जोन में सब कुछ काम करेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये त्रासदी इसके कारण बहुत गंभीर हो गई है। और इसलिए आने वाले दिनों में देश को और समाज को इससे सबक लेने की ज़रूरत है। और उस सबक में कोई राजनीतिक मतभेद नहीं होता है, उसमें सबको मिलकर एक कार्य योजना पर अमल करना है और उसके बारे में सरकार गंभीरता से सोचे और अगुवाई करे। सरकार क्यों नहीं राहत ये राष्ट्रीय आपदा घोषित कर रही है, मुझे समझ नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि इसमें कोई ईगो का मुद्दा नहीं है और इसमें तो सहायता होती है आपदग्रस्तों को, जो आपदा में फंसे हैं उनको, तो इसलिए ये होना चाहिए।
Sir, there have been reports from Uttarakhand and other areas that there have been so many casualties. But why is it so that government is trying to decrease and show the death toll much lesser than what is the exact one?
Actually, today what is happening in Uttarakhand is actually eye-opening, and it's a worst disaster we have witnessed since ages, and we must all come together to fight out and rescue each and everybody who is alive today in the valley. So whatever the plans are drawn by the army and the air force must be supported by one and all. People and government must also do their bit. At the same time, there is more need to be more transparent and more forthcoming in accepting the gravity of the situation. Government should not only technically say, they must put up the list who are in hospitals. They must put up the list everywhere on website also, who are where, who have been rescued, who are still missing or who are still held up somewhere else. So whatever government has the information must be put on the website so that the country will know and their relatives will know, because connectivity has also become a problem. And more than that, what the nation, the country as such or the society as such, what lessons we are learning through this tragedy, because that is important.
Sir,
These lessons must be learnt hard way, that you can't damage eco-fragile sensitive eco zone than a certain extent. And at the same time, the society must also accept the rules and the disaster plan and its mandate, because otherwise the tragedy would not have been this big if everybody would have followed the rules. And that's the lesson to be learnt. And I really wonder why government is today not declaring this as a national calamity. Yes, it is. And today the Home Minister is going, so I hope that he declares it as a national calamity.
Sir, Mr. Narendra Modi, although he won't be able to visit today because of the weather situation, but why isn't so that he is being allowed to go on the ground and see that what is the ground reality? He has been, only allowed to view it from the chopper. He should go downstairs to see what is the government trying to hide.
No, actually, I'll not like to make any comment on this, because whatever Army and Air Force tells should be the rule of the day as far as this tragedy is concerned.
So Tamil Nadu and Jayalalitha has also, come forward, and Mr. Modi has also come forward. Don't you
No,
think
all are coming forward, and I think this is very important occasion when nation has to put up a united fight and must resolve also that such tragedies won't happen again. And to that end, the resolve should be put forth after the rescue is over. We must put in place two plans of new plan of disaster management and new plan of ensuring development, but also taking care of the nature and the rules of the nature.
So don't you think every state should come forward and send their choppers to Dehradun so that the local residents should be taken out from Dehradun?
No, I think as I told you, I don't want to go into details. It is the Air Force and the Army which are coordinating, and we should be listened to.